Are you in the market for an A3 laser printer? If so, you might have already figured out that they're not the easiest things to find, especially at a decent price. A3 laser printers are also not something you want to buy used. If you're considering purchasing this type of printer, then your needs are most likely of great importance. In other words, this is a machine you buy for business purposes, not general use. If you really want to save money by not buying new, then you can always buy a refurbished model if you can find one. Refurbished is always a great option because these machines have been rebuilt to be as good as new and you get a discounted price. Regardless of whether you choose to buy new or refurbished, always check prices out on Amazon first. Not only is Amazon a trusted name, but you will be able to review all features and see how happy customers have been with any particular model. In addition to that, Amazon will often have the best deals. One good example of LaserJet printers is the HP 5100, a monochrome laser printer that has been discontinued by HP for the simple reason that HP had further upgraded the product. The upgrade we shall likewise feature here, the HP 5200. The HP LaserJet 5100 series are no longer for sale at HP, but you can find it at Amazon, used for as low as $450 and refurbished at $499. It measures 18.7 inches wide x 22.8 inches deep x 24.4 inches high, and weighs a hefty 75 lbs. It has a print speed of 22 pages per minute and a maximum print resolution of 1200 x 1200 dpi, with the first page out in 13 seconds. The 5100 is rated with a monthly duty cycle of 65,000 pages. It is perfect for those who need high-volume black and white printing. It is capable of accepting pages up to A3, 11.7 inches x 16.5 inches, ledger B size, 11 inches x 17 inches, of various types, such as envelopes, transparencies, labels, plain paper, vellum paper, cards, bond paper, and recycled paper. The input tray can accommodate up to 350 pages of plain sheets, and can support up to optional input trays of 500 sheet capacity. Duplex printing is an option to the base model in the 5100 TN model, but comes standard with the DTN model. If what you're looking for is a workhorse that can keep up with the requirements of a team within a larger organization or a small business, a Workgroup laser printer is an obvious choice. A Workgroup printer, such as the LaserJet 5100, has a faster processor, big memory, and print engines that are capable of producing more than 20 pages per minute. The 5100 as a Workgroup printer offers network printing, larger paper input and output trays, and high-capacity toner cartridges. As reported by users, one downside to the HP 5100 is that it is one loud printer. It may be interesting to note that HP sort of understates the noise factor by listing its specs in bells rather than decibels. 6.6 bells of sound is generated by the 5100 based on HP's documentation, and this translates to 66 decibels, dB. Loud conversation is around 65 dB and vacuum cleaners are around 70 dB, just to illustrate. So you don't really want it set up beside someone's workspace, much less within a work cubicle. There were also reports that the 5100 does not print barcodes, and you needed to purchase separately a memory stick from HP that have the required fonts for barcodes to be able to do this. Overall, the features of the HP 5100 are as expected for its price. Much more so if you got it second-hand or refurbished.